Here is an example of a topic you may get in the anatomy stations. So here you can see a diagram of the diaphragm drawn by my fair hand, so apologies for that. And in the exam you may be asked to label this. So here in the centre of the diaphragm is the central tendon, which receives sensory afferents from the phrenic nerve. And the peripheral muscle receives sensory innervation from the intercostal nerves. Here at A, you have the IVC and the right phrenic nerve, which emerge from the diaphragm at T8. B is the left phrenic nerve. C, you have the esophagus and the vagus nerve emerging from the diaphragm at T10. And at D, you have the aorta, thoracic duct, and azygos vein emerging at T12. The right and left crura are F and E, with the right crura attaching to the bodies of L1 to L3, and the left crura attaching to the bodies of L1 and L2. A mnemonic to remember where the structures emerge is I8, 10 eggs at 12. So I8, IVC at T8, 10 eggs, T10 for the esophagus. So Americans spell esophagus with no O, begins with an E, as does eggs, at 12. So the azygos, aorta, and the thoracic duct at T12. You may be asked what would happen if there was laxity at C. Of course, this is the esophagus, so it would be a hiatus hernia. And you may be asked how that would affect your anaesthetic management.